Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 2 of the chapter Heron's formula. In our previous part 1, we have seen the introduction and area of various triangles, and later we went for finding area of a scalene triangle using Heron's formula. And end of the session part 1, I gave you a question as homework, that is example number 3. We will start our today's session from that question and solve the questions from exercise 12.1. Coming to the example number 3, here the sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7. Find its perimeter, find its area if its perimeter is given as 300 meter. 300 meter is its perimeter, and from this figure you can make out the sides of the triangular plot are 3x, 5x, 7x. How this x? What this x? See children, whenever we have got ratio given, always we assume ratio constant with some variable. So let the ratio constant is assumed as x, thus one of its side becomes 3x, the other side becomes 5x, and third side becomes 7x. Now if we know 3 sides of it and by adding them we get their perimeter. So perimeter is a plus b plus c, which is 15x, but perimeter is given as 300 meters. Therefore I will equate this 15x to that 300 meter. It gives me now, by solving this simple equation, 15 into x equal to 300, 15 which is multiplying x comes the other side, does the division. So 300 divided by 15 gives the value of that ratio constant. Now it is 20. Therefore now I got to know what is A, what is B, and what is C by substituting value of x 20 in this 3x. So 3 into 20 becomes 60 meter one side, 5 into 20 that is 100 meter is another side, 7 into 20, so 140 meter is the third side. Thus from this I can find out, yes, already we know here perimeter as 300 means S is 150 meter. Why? Because 300 by 2 gives S, perimeter by 2 gives semi perimeter. And now what is S minus A, what is S minus B, and what is S minus C, we can calculate. So S minus A, 150 minus 60 is 90, 150 minus 100 is 50, 150 minus 140 is 10. So S minus A, S minus B, S minus C we calculated. Now from this we can go for finding area by using the Heron's formula. Now I will take Heron's formula to find the area by Heron's formula, area of a triangle is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which implies S value we already know, S value is 150 and S minus A is 90 and 50 and S minus B is 50 and S minus C is 10. So, we will substitute them. So, S 150 into 90 into 50 and into 10. So, by just substituting value 150 into 90 into 50 into 10, we got. Now simplifying this. How to simplify? See children, always remember 50 can be written as 5 into 10. Here I have already 110. 10 into 10, in the next step that 10 will come out. Similarly, this 150 I will write it as 3 into 5 into 10 and 90 also I will write it as 3 into 3 into 10. So, totally I have 10 multiplied by itself 4 times. So, 2 times will come outside, 3 multiplied by itself 3 times, that means out of 2 times I will get 1 3 out, and 5 multiplied by itself 2 times, so 1 5 will come out. So, things left over here, this out of 2 tens, 4 tens, 2 tens came out, out of 2 threes 1 3 came out, out of 2 fives 1 5 came out, left over is only 1 3 that is there inside. So, the product of this 3 into 5 into 10 into 10 is 1500 into root 3 meter square is the area of the triangular plot. So, we will find out like this. Now, moving on to the question number 1 of exercise 12.1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of signal board using Heron's formula if its perimeter is 180 centimeter. What will be the area of the signal board? So, first, equilateral triangle tells that all sides are equal. That means I know all 3 sides as A because one of its side is A. Therefore, if in the solution, therefore perimeter is equals to 180 centimeter, that means 3A equals to 180 centimeter, A equals to 60 centimeter. I know now the side of it. If the moment I know side of it, I can go for finding its area using Heron's formula. Heron's formula, here S is 180 by 2, which means 90 centimeter. S minus A, 90 minus 60 is 30 centimeter. S minus B, B is also 60, that is why S minus B is again 30 centimeter. S minus C, C is also 60 centimeter only because it is an equilateral triangle. So, S minus C becomes 30 centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle by Heron's formula is root under s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. I am writing here because of lack of space. It implies root under 90 into 30 into 30 into 30. So, out of these two 30s, 130 came out, and this 90 can also be written as 3 into 30. That means there are 4 30s. So, 2 30s will come out, left over 1 3 will be inside. So, 30 into 30 is 900 root 3 centimeter square is the area of that signboard. Okay. Now, moving on to the question number 2. Here in this question number 2, there is a flyover. In that flyover, we have got both the sides triangular patches, where the triangular side walls of that flyover have been used for advertisements, whereas the sides of that triangular side walls are 120 meter, here is the 120 meter, and 120 meter, here is the 120, and height wise 22 meter. So, the advertisement yields an earning of 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. So, for 1 year per meter square, that company whichever goes for advertising it should pay 5,000 rupees. A company hired one of its walls, only one wall they have hired, but not for 1 year, they hired for only 3 months. So, how much rent did it pay? Here in the solution of this question, we know A, B, C, that is sides of a scalene triangle, 120 meter, 120 meter, 22 meter. You need to find out semi perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2. What is semi perimeter here? A plus B plus C, 122 plus 122, 42 plus 22, 264. So, 264 by 2 is 132 meter. Now, find the S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. 132 minus 122 gives 10 meter, 132 minus 120 gives 12 meter, 132 minus 22 gives 110 meter. Now, using S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, you know how to find area of a triangle. By Heron's formula, it is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That means 132 into 10 into 12 into 110. Now, simplifying it. See children, 132 I will write it as 11 into 12, 10 into 12 into 110 I will write as 11 into 10. Now watch, there are 2 10s, 2 12s and 2 11s. That means in the next step, area of a triangle is 110, 111, 112 will come out. That means 1320 meter square. Now, cost of advertisement. Cost of advertisement at the rate of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Now, Cost of advertisement at rupees 5,000 per meter square per year for 3 months. See here, for 1 meter square 5,000, but for 1,320 meter square these two products to be taken. But it is not for 1 year. For 1 month, if I divide it by 12, I'll get for 1 month. Into 3 if I do, I'll get for 3 months. You know, unitary method, I'm just doing very simple unitary methods. So 1320 by 12 into 3 gives for 3 months. Now on cancellation, 12 into 1 tens are 1320. So this product is 5 3s are 15, 15 11s are 165, and besides I'll get 1 2 3 4 times zeros, so 4 zeros, which means 16 lakh rupees 50,000 will be the cost of advertisement for 3 months for hiring that one side of the wall is supposed to be paid by that company. Okay, this is how we solve this question. Now moving on to the next question. See, in third question there is a slide in park. You know, sliding, normally it's a construction, either iron used or the concrete used. Here in this case it is concrete. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. Here in this figure you can see that. Normally this staircase children use for climbing, and from the top they will glide. Okay, they will glide. So it's a gliding, sliding. Okay, if the sides of that walls are 15 meter, here is the 15, 11 meter and 6 meter. It's just like a scale in triangle only. Find the area painted in color. That means we have to find the area of this scale in triangle. Same again, we know, okay, here we know here all three sides of scale in triangle, 15, 11 and 6 meters. From that I'll find out semi perimeter. So sum of ABC by 2, that is 32 by 2, which gives 16 meter is the semi perimeter. Now from that I'll find out S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So 16 minus 15 is 1, 16 minus 11 is 5, 16 minus 6 is 10. The moment I got S value, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, so I'll find out area of triangle by using Heron's formula. Root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by substituting, that is 16 into 1 into 5 into 10. Now root under 16 gives you 4 outside, root under 5 into 10, that is 5 into 5 into 2. We can write this as 5 into 2. So out of 2 5s, 1 5 will come out and left over is just 2. So it will be there inside the root. So means 5 2s are 5 4s are 20, 20 root 2 centimeter, sorry, meter square. 20 root 2 meter square is the area of that wall which is painted. Okay. Now moving on to the question number 4. Find the area of a triangle, two sides which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and its perimeter is 42 centimeter. See children, in a triangle, when I am given two sides and perimeter, I can find third side, okay, because here I know third side will be from the perimeter. If I subtract sum of these two sides, it gives me the third side. So 18 plus 10 is 28, 42 minus 18, 42 minus 18 gives you 14. So 14 centimeter is the third side. Now the moment I got ABC and I have already got perimeter, so semi perimeter is 42 by 2, which is 21 centimeter. From them I can find out S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. 21 minus 18 is 3, 21 minus 10 is 11 and 21 minus 14 is 7. So I know S minus A, S minus B, S minus C value. So area of triangle by Heron's formula, by substituting the values, root under 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. Now this 21 can be written as 3 into 7 into 3 into 11 into 7. Here there are 2 3's, so 1 3 will come out. There are 2 7's, 1 7 will come out. So 3 into 7 will come outside of the root. Inside the root I will have only 11. So thus the value is 21 into root 11 centimeter square is the area of that triangle. So this is how we calculate. Now moving on to the question number 5. See children, question number 5, sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Same as example 3 which we solved in the beginning of today's session. So I am giving this as homework for you. You do it on your own. Okay, you know what are the steps to be followed, so you can do it on your own. Now moving on to the question number 6. In an isosceles triangle, perimeter is 30 centimeter. So you know what is the meaning of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle will have two of its sides equal. Okay, so each equal side is given already, that is 12 centimeter, and we don't know third side, but perimeter is given. You know, once perimeter is given and then two sides of a triangle are given, you can find third side by subtracting from the perimeter sum of the two sides which we know gives the third side. So 30 minus 12 plus 12 is 24, 30 minus 24 is 6, so 6 centimeter is the third side. I know A, B, C, that is 12, 12, 6. Now you know how to find the area of the triangle. So this is again I am giving as a homework for you. So children, with this I have completed exercise questions of 12.1. There are 6 questions in which I solved first 4, 5th and 6th I gave as homework for you with little explanation. So we will meet you in our next session with the concept of applications of this Heron's formula. Till then, take care of yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you.